you guys? John Rizzo here, back with another video, back with another cooking video. Today you guys, I'm going to be making you guys and showing you guys how to make the Popeyes chicken sandwich. And also, I'm going to include how to make the sauce, alright? So, sorry I haven't put out any videos. 30-day challenge is postponed because I had a little problem with, you know, violation and stuff like that, but I'm postponing it and I'm gonna probably do it in the near future. So let's get cooking with this Popeyes chicken sandwich. All right. So overnight, guys, you gotta put the overnight. You gotta put the chicken in buttermilk, seasoned with salt and pepper. So you leave it there overnight. You plastic wrap it, leave it there, let it get marinate, let it get married. Then you got a little bowl here of flour, and you got your oil, you know, ready to get deep fried. It's nice and hot. Let's get this started. So you take it, you cover it with flour, assets, coat it again, take it out, then you put it. Bang! Keep going. Oven is nice and hot. I mean, the stove is nice and hot. Gotta be fast. Hold it again. Man, so simple, guys. It's like breading your chicken. Put this bad boy inside. Do 2 at a time. Bread it. Dip. And you bread it, you flour again. Take the excess off, leave it right here. Same thing, same process. Dip, excess, dip again, flour again. It's so simple, guys. Let me get this bad boy out because it's gonna be quick. Oh my God, it's nice and hot. You know how I wanted it. It was super hot. You can give another plate. Right there, just right there on top. Yeah, this chicken cooked fast. You get the next one good. You get the next one good. You get the next one still good. I'm gonna lower this temperature down because this temperature is probably spanking hot. I'm gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna eyeball it quick. It's gonna cook really fast. You want that golden brown. Turning it. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe down below, guys. I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce real quick too. As soon as I get these chickens done, these chickens are all gonna cook real fast. White chicken breast is fast meat to cook. So I eyeball it because this oil is too hot, guys. Let's put that in. You want that nice golden brown, guys. That nice golden brown. Is how these bad boys are coming out. Yeah, guys. There you go. This is the color you want, guys. This is the color you want for this chicken, the chicken to come out. Just like that, golden brown. Just like that, guys. Let's put this over here with the rest. Put this bad boy over here. Get this guy. Yeah, now this is pretty good. This temperature, this is the way you want it. You want to eyeball it, you know what I mean? Bad boys are cooking fast, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Come on. Let's get these views up. Let's get the subscribers up, guys. I will bring you a lot more videos, guys. A lot more videos. A lot more ingredients that you guys wanna you guys wanna see. I will bring it to you. Maybe show you guys one day how to do the Whopper, you know, Burger King style. I got the oven preheated 350 degrees, guys. We're gonna toast these buns. There's a special type of buns you need to get for this sandwich. It's called the brioche bun. The French hamburger bun from France. Very good, very delicious for this dish, for this sandwich. Awesome dish, awesome sandwich, guys. This sandwich is the most popular sandwich in Popeyes history and practically in the whole world. And if you guys got the opportunity to make this in your house, buy it by me, you get it for free. Not for free, but you gotta buy the ingredients, but you can eat it as much as you want. Chicken looks about done. Let it rest a little bit. Put it right back in the oven. In the fryer. You want a nice golden brown. You want it looking pretty, guys. You want it looking pretty. There you go. You got that nice crispiness. That's how you want it, guys. That's how you want it. Nice crispy. Let's keep on going. Couple more. Same process now. You just dip, and you just flour it up. Like that. Put it right back in the oven. Always do this. Good. Wash my hands. Gotta hurry up, so that burns.
Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe, guys.
Camera girl's behind the camera, guys. Say hi in the comment section below, guys, to Adriana.
Hi.
Make sure you check out her channel, Adriana and Justin Vlog. They're doing a lot of pranks. We did an extreme prank on camera girl yesterday. It did not end well. You guys should check it out, Adriana and Justin Vlog. I will leave the link in the description below so you guys can check it out and subscribe. Here. Oh man, I forgot about this bad boy. Get these out. They're not working for me again today.
brown rice.
Yeah, Adriana, talk about your channel.
So I'm going so much rice. I still want payback from them.
Yeah, she want to pay us back.
Yes.
Give me 1 second, guys. I'm just getting the oven prepared. Flip this side over. Now that's the temperature you guys want, you know what I mean? You don't want it too. So you want to lightly butter. Hey, come over here, H. You want to lightly butter the brioche bread, and you know, so they could get that golden. That you want that golden brown. You know what I mean? All right, that's. See, 1, 2, 3. I need it for 4. You want it to get toasted, guys.
So you have to butter.
Yep. So you lightly put it with butter, so they can get that golden brown. Okay, this one looks like it's gonna be very, very good. After we do this one, guys, we're gonna do the sauce. Get the sauce ready. I already got the bread in the oven, 350 degrees. When you leave it overnight with buttermilk, it's gonna leave the chicken very flaky. It's gonna come out juicy. It's gonna come out. It's not gonna come out dry, guys. It's gonna come out the way you want it. You know what I mean? That nice traditional juicy chicken you know, setting that you want. It's almost done. In the beginning, the oil was too hot. You gotta have it at least 250 degree temperature. Done. Yep. Got that crispiness. Okay. Now while the buns are going, let's get started with the sauce. This guy over here. Always clean your workstation. Always, guys. You always gotta clean your workstation, guys. Always.
Very clean.
Clean place is a happy place, guys. Remember that. Oven is preheated. Let's get the sauce going. Wait. Let me show you the ingredients you need for this sauce, guys. Alright, let me get the... Alright. You're gonna need mayonnaise, ketchup, Tabasco sauce, chili sauce, Worcester sauce, I don't know how to say it, and some yellow mustard. Let's combine these guys. So you're gonna take the base. Always the base is gonna be the mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is always the base of the sauce. So remember that. Take a couple of scoops of mayonnaise. And you can make as much as you want, guys. You can put as much portion you want. It's up to you how much sauce you want. You take some ketchup. Basically you got that mayo ketchup. Some ketchup. Put some chili. Chili sauce with some yellow mustard, not too much, Worcester sauce, a couple of dashes, and some Tabasco sauce. A couple of dashes of Tabasco. Depends how spicy you want it, guys. And you mix it all up. You get that nice traditional Popeyes chicken sandwich sauce. The color, guys, beautiful. So easy. Keep mixing with mixing this so everything is incorporated. sorry. That's about good. Give it a little taste. Wow. Awesome. That's how you want it, guys. Beautiful. Came out so good. Get a couple of plates, and when that's done, we're gonna plate this bad boy. I don't know why. Every time I do a video, there's always a car crying outside. Always. So, let's wait for these breads. Let's wait for this bread to toast up, guys. And I will be back in a few. Guys, alright guys, bread is done. You want them like that, nice, toasted, you know. You got the bottom bread. Let's get the sauce. Sorry. Let's add the sauce as the base. And you want to take one of the Popeyes nice crispy chicken sandwich. Then you want to take a couple of pickles. Nicely put them on top. Nicely put them on top. There you go. Then add a little bit of sauce on top. Drizzle some more. Bam. There you go. There you go, guys. Goes your Popeyes chicken sandwich. Just like the way you want it, guys. Beauty. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this recipe, you really like the way I showed you guys how to make this specific sandwich, and supposedly an iconic sandwich now. It's known all over the world. So hope you guys, you could smash that like button. Please subscribe, and I will give you a lot more videos, a lot more good content. And remember, I will leave the link in the description below for you guys to subscribe to Adriana and Justin's vlogs. Alright, please subscribe to their channel. They're doing awesome things out there. Please subscribe. And also, I'm going to leave the content so we can bring you more good videos in the future. Alright guys, so hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.